In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monica AI Copilot for Google Chrome. If you've ever wanted a digital assistant right at your fingertips while browsing, then this guide is for you. We're diving into the setup process to get you started quickly and efficiently, and by the end, you'll be ready to use Monica AI like a pro. First, let's begin by opening Google Chrome and navigating to the Monica AI Chrome extension page. This is the primary hub where you can access the Monica AI Copilot and begin your installation journey. The extension can typically be found in the Chrome Web Store. However, you can easily find it by searching for Monica AI Copilot in your search bar. Once you're at the right page, you're ready to move on to the next step. Here's where the fun begins. Click on the button that says Add to Chrome. This will initiate the installation process. It's straightforward. There's no need for technical expertise here. Clicking this button tells your browser to begin downloading the Monica AI extension so that you can start enjoying its full array of features. Now, a pop-up will ask you to confirm that you're ready to add this extension. Don't fret, this is a normal security step to ensure that you are intentionally installing this software. Simply click Add Extension to proceed. This confirmation step is crucial as it helps protect your browser from unwanted installations and ensures that you're in control of what gets added to your system. Once the installation is complete, keep an eye on your toolbar at the top right of your Chrome browser. You'll notice a new icon appearing. This is the Monica logo, officially signifying that the installation was successful. The presence of this icon means Monica is now ready to assist you at a moment's notice. It's like having a personal assistant ready and waiting to optimize your browsing experience. Next, you'll need to sign in or create a new Monica account to get started. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log in. If not, creating an account is quick and easy. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account information. You'll be guided through each necessary step to ensure you're all set to use Monica. Finally, with everything set up, you can start using Monica AI on any web page. Whether you're doing research, drafting an email, or simply browsing, the Monica Copilot's functionalities are now fully integrated into your Chrome experience. From here on out, enjoy leveraging the power of AI to streamline your productivity directly from your browser. This concludes our setup tutorial for Monica AI Copilot on Google Chrome. With these steps completed, you're now ready to explore all the possibilities Monica AI has to offer. Thank you for watching and enjoy your enhanced browsing experience. Remember to like and subscribe for more how-to guides and tech tips.